Today in this class we are going to solve the exercise part of the lesson 3 Friends. Understanding the text, A part, choose the correct option from the brackets to complete the sentences. First one, turtle, frog and rat were great friends or enemies. They three are friends or enemies, children? Yes, they are friends. Turtle, frog and rat are best friends. One night a terrible dash covered the field. What covered the field? Flood or wind? Yes, that is flood. Turtle and frog were in no danger because they could swim or fly. Turtle and frog swim or fly? Yes, they can swim. The flood had dashed their home, destroyed or built. The flood destroyed their home. Fifth one, everyone hurried to the foot of the dash to see if turtle was hurt. Answer, that is tree. Move on to the B part. Answer these questions. First question, how many friends were there in the story? Name them. So how many friends in that story? There were 3 friends in the story. Their names are turtle, frog and rat. Second, where did the 3 friends live? Where they live? ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವರು? The 3 friends live together in a home in a field near the ocean. Ocean ಹತ್ರ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Did the 3 friends share good relations? What did they do to maintain their friendship? ಅವರ ಮಿಡ್ಲು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತ? ಗುಡ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇತ್ತ? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವರು? ಎಸ್, ದ 3 ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್. ಟು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ದೇರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್, they spent the afternoons together sitting in the sun and talking. They always complimented each other and spent several hours together drinking tea and eating the good things that they gathered from the field. Yes, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ನಡುವೆ ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಅವರು? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಸನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ, ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಟೀ ಕುಡಿತಾ, ಗುಡ್ ಫುಡ್ಸನ್ನು ತಿಂತಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು? ಟೈಮನ್ನು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವು. So fourth question, what did the rat do to save himself from the flood? Flood ಇಂದ ಬದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? In order to save himself from the flood, rat rushed to the forest and climbed a tall tree. ಟಾಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಯನ್ನು ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಓಡಿ ಟಾಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಯನ್ನು ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವೇರ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಹೀಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಹೋಮ್? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? ದ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಹೀಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಹೋಮ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರೀ. ಟ್ರೀಯಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಹೌಸನ್ನು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಟಲ್ ಮೆಟ್ ದ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಡೌನ್? ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರಾಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟರ್ಟಲ್ ರ್ಯಾಟನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಡೌನ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ವೆಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಹೀಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ತನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಮೆಟ್, ಆಲ್ 3 ವೇರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್. 3 ಜನ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್. The rat told them that now he had a new home and a lovely wife and invited them to visit her. ನಂದೀಗ ನ್ಯೂ ಹೋಮ್ ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಲವ್ಲಿ ವೈಫ್ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ, ನೀವು ಬಂದು ಅವಳನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದ ಟರ್ಟಲ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ? ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಟರ್ಟಲ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಯನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ? The rat asked the turtle to hold the rat's tail with his jaws and the rat would pull him up the tree. ನನ್ನ ಟೇಲನ್ನು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀನು ತನ್ನ ಜಾವ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡು, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಳಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಏಟ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ವೆನ್ ಟರ್ಟಲ್ ಮೆಟ್ ದ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈಫ್? ಟರ್ಟಲ್ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ವೈಫಿಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? The rat's wife greeted the turtle when she came to know that he was rat's friend. Rat wife ಟರ್ಟಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಗ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಂತ? ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂತ. The turtle forgot where he was and opened his mouth to say hello to the rat's wife. ಟರ್ಟಲ್ಗೆ ನೆನಪಿರಲ್ಲ ತಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಲೋ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಮೌತನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಸ್ ಅ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ the turtle loosened his hold and fell to the ground. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ತನ್ನ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಟರ್ಟಲ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ? ವಿತ್ ಅ ಲೌಡ್ ಥಂಪ್. He also scraped off all the fine hair from the rat's tail before falling. ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೇಲ್ದು ಹೇರ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪೂರಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Move on to the C part. Read this statement from the story and say who said this to whom and when. Okay, so statement is, no, I escaped to the forest. Illa nan forest ge ood hogbitte. Who said it? Rat said it. To whom? It was said to turtle and frog when, after the water level had gone, the three friends met again. They told him that they were afraid that the rat might have drowned in the flood. So, in response to their worry, the rat said that he had escaped to the forest. So, yeah, after a long time meet ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರದ್ದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಟರ್ಟಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರಾಗ್ ಏನಂತವೆ, ನೀನು ಮುಳುಗ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಏನನ್ನತ್ತೆ, ನೋ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಟು ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಬೆಟರ್. ಟರ್ಟಲ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಟರ್ಟಲ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಟು ಫ್ರಾಗ್ ವೆನ್ ಟರ್ಟಲ್ ಫೆಲ್ ಟು ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಲೌಡ್ ಥಂಪ್. ಫ್ರಾಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಶಾಕ್ಡ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ sight that his eyes bulged out and the wasp stood up all over his skin. He was sad and told Turtle that he had become ugly now. To comfort his friend, Turtle said that it was not so and now it was better, as Frog would be able to hold it. Next, choose the correct verbs from the brackets to form collocations with the underlined words. I think you dash a mistake by purchasing this bicycle. Made a mistake or played a mistake? Yes, that is made a mistake. Please dash an eye on my kids till I return. Maintain or keep? Keep an eye. Keep an eye on my kids. Could you please dash a picture of mine? Throw or take? Take a picture. Take a picture. Fourth one, you never dash my advice seriously. You never borrow or take. So that is take. You never take my advice. I try to dash money every month. Save or drive? I try to save money every month. Move on to the B part. Tick the correct words, form a collocation. I had a cup of strong tea or powerful tea. That is strong tea. The forest had high trees or tall trees. The forest had that is tall trees. The dish had rich taste or deep taste. Rich taste. Fourth one, I had great fun or big fun at the circus. Great fun. Good night, sweet dreams or nice dreams. That is sweet dreams. Move on to the next concept. Filling the blanks using the comparative degree of adjectives. Comparative means we have to compare two things or animals or persons. We have to add er. Words ಮುಂದೆ er ಹಚ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. So my house is dash then yours. Large. We have to write down here comparative. So larger. My friend is dash in mathematics than me. Good. Good comparative is better. Better. My brother is dash than me. Old. Older. I find strawberry ice cream than vanilla ice cream. Tasty. Tastier. My house is dash to school than yours. Close. Closer. So this is called as comparative degree. In the superlative degree we add est. Whenever the superlative degree is used to compare the whole group of objects. Group ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, that is superlative degree. So here is column positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, old, older, oldest. Right. So here long, longer, longest. Short, shorter, shortest. Young, younger, youngest. Close, closer, closest. So intelligent, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Wonderful, more wonderful, more wonderful than most wonderful. Most wonderful. Next here they have given most respectable. So here respectable, more respectable, most respectable. Some words can't change in comparative and superlative degree. That time we have to add more. Most. More in comparative, most in superlative degree. Move on to the next one, children. Underline the adjectives in the given sentences to say whether they are regular or irregular. Regular means which are used er, est in the comparative degree. Regular. Irregular means they have changed completely. Good, better, best. That is irregular. Okay. So here Sania is the best. Good, better, best. So this is irregular. Next, luckiest. This is also irregular. He is still weak, but he is better than last week. Weak, regular. More weak, most weak it will come. My grandmother is the oldest. regular, no, irregular, oldest, no, old, older, oldest, so this is regular. Geeta is the most popular, so that is also a regular, most popular. Here one listening concept example. I can see the sea from my window. Mr. Basu said, come here. I can't hear you. The conversation is, the pronunciation is same, spelling is different and meaning also different in this concept. The man threw some nuts at the monkey. The monkey caught them through the bars of the cage. The children searched for their toys. The toys were not there. Okay. Montu said that he would reach home by 5 o'clock. He wants to buy a puppy for himself from the pet shop.